No abortion in United States of America. Supreme Court poised to rule on abortion pill restrictions. Washington, AP. The Supreme Court is deciding whether women will face restrictions in getting a drug used in the most common method of abortion in the United States, while a lawsuit continues. The justices are expected to issue an order on Wednesday in a fast-moving case from Texas in which abortion opponents are seeking to roll back Food and Drug Administration approval of the drug, mifepristone. The Biden administration and New York-based Danco Laboratories, the maker of the drug, want the nation's highest court to reject limits on mifepristone's use imposed by lower courts, at least as long as the legal case makes its way through the courts. Alliance Defending Freedom, representing anti-abortion doctors and medical groups in a challenge to the drug, is defending the rulings in calling on the Supreme Court to let the restrictions take effect now. Even as the abortion landscape changed dramatically in several states, abortion opponents set their sights on medication abortions, which make up more than half of all abortions in the United States. The abortion opponents filed suit in November in Amarillo, Texas. The appeals court said that the drug can't be mailed or dispensed as a generic and that patients who seek it need to make 3 in-person visits with a doctor, among other things. The court also said the drug should only be approved through 7 weeks of pregnancy for now, even though the FDA since 2016 has endorsed its use through 10 weeks of pregnancy. Complicating the situation, a federal judge in Washington has ordered the FDA to preserve access to mifepristone under the current rules in 17 Democratic-led states and the District of Columbia that filed a separate lawsuit. If the justices aren't inclined to block the ruling from taking effect for now, the Democratic administration and Danco have a fallback argument, asking the court to take up the challenge to mifepristone, hear arguments and decide the case by early summer. The court only rarely takes such a step before at least one appeals court has thoroughly examined the legal issues involved. Thanks for watching. For more updates please subscribe at Daily Info Portal.